Hi, welcome to BodyShop 101, coming to you today from Auto Clearing Collision Center. Today I'm going to talk about aftermarket parts and how they relate to your estimate and the repair. SGI, as well as most insurance companies, will require us to use aftermarket parts during the repair process if your car is over 1 year old or 20,000 kilometers. These are still new parts, but not factory OEM certified. What we do here at Auto Clearing is we will price match these parts. An example of this is, let's say a bumper is $450 new, the aftermarket bumper is $300. SGI requires us to use the $300 part. It of course lowers the overall cost of repair. What we do is we will sell SGI the new bumper for $300. This gives you a quality factory replacement part on your vehicle. SGI is happy because they paid the lower price, and we're happy because you're happy. Now, aftermarket parts can vary from several different situations. A few examples, and most common, are of course bumpers, headlights, hoods, fenders, condensers, grills. The list is quite extensive. We will try our best to price match each and every one of those, no matter what vehicle you drive. We have very good relationships with most automobile parts departments here in Saskatoon and throughout the province. We will try our darndest to price match those parts for you. So we believe it gives you a better repair. Your car is repaired with all factory replacement parts. The fit, the finish, just the overall quality is better, we believe, here at Auto Clearing. Just a quick example of how insurance companies lower the cost of repair. Of course, saves you money as far as policies and your overall insurance costs. We just go the little extra mile in making sure that you have even higher quality, again, factory being as best as you can get on your vehicle that we repair. Thanks again for watching this. Hopefully it helps explain the use of aftermarket parts and how they relate to your repair. Please like and share this video so we can help everybody understand what we do here and how we care. And most importantly, take care out there.